Well guys, this is Winter Storm Nemo. Hit Maine pretty hard. I guess it really hit New England pretty hard. But it's kind of dying down now. You might have seen Todd's video earlier, Fearlessfront on YouTube. His video earlier about what it was like at his house. He's about 45 minutes away from me. The drifting is insane. We cleared out a little bit earlier, just so I could get to work. I couldn't even get my truck out. I had to get my dad's truck. Right there. You can see these drifts are huge. Just standing for comparison, I'm not even all the way up this drift. And I mean, there's like, I'm up past my knees. And I'm not even all the way up this drift. It's just crazy. So, I'm gonna fall. There's this huge drift here, and my snowblower's not gonna be able to get through. There you go. It's top of this drift, and this is not even all the way down the bottom. I am up to my waist. So, gotta get the snowblower out and try to clear some out. I do have my plowing tractor, my John Deere, but it won't make it through this. So you can see this is the ramp down to the underground garage here, basement garage. And where that drift is above there is usually about 3.5 feet. So, pretty crazy. Well, that's how much snow came in under the garage door. Ridiculous. All over my snowblower. Trusty old Boland's 824A. I guess the B had heated hand grips. Something like that. Oh yeah. This is gonna be fun. Well, I did my ramp, but there's more snow on it again because when I did, guy got stuck over here. I don't know if you can see that in the video very well. At the end of my driveway, a guy got stuck. And I didn't want to do this part of the driveway here, so I did this part on my dad's truck. And when I started doing this part over here, after the guy got out, it all blew back into the ramp. Not all of it, just a little bit. At least it's a thin layer, you know, only like an inch. But I'll have to do that again. Right now my dad's doing the front part. I'd been out here for a while. He just came out and took over, but see how deep it is up there. Just to give you a little comparison, this is our back walkway up to our deck here, and this took for me forever to do with this thing, but as you can probably see, I'm standing right here. The top of this comes right up to like halfway up my stomach, and I mean this deep snow. It's just crazy. It's just insane. Like, we probably got, you can't really see over here very well. We probably got that much. I don't know if you can see that in the video. And that is about 2.5 feet. That's like the big drifts right by the ramp there. So much snow. But this should be fun after I get my new tire for my racing mower, my off-road mower. I didn't do a video on that. Actually, it will be in my update, my next update, I guess. But my tire popped the other night when I was putting chains on it. I deflated them to put chains on them to do snow romping, and then when I reinflated them, I guess I did one of them too much, even though I did both of them about 20-25 pounds. And I know it's a lot more than Fearless puts in his, but I like mine. I like my tires a little harder, especially since I'm going to be romping up trees and stuff yet, and rocks. I just want it for the snow and to hold the chains better. And it was fine for like 10 minutes, and then I was across the room, and it just totally popped and like flew across the room. The tire, it was crazy. But could have been worse. But anyway, once I get my new tires, then we can do some snow. Ooh, there's the wind. I gotta get inside. I've been out here for too long. Crazy. And I still have the whole back part of my driveway to do, which you've seen in my other videos, which is long, because I've only done just past the front of my dad's truck. So, oh, whatever. Thanks for watching.